The following case study has been produced by Manufacturing Skills Australia to show how employee participation adds to productivity, safety and quality to give your business a competitive edge. Capral has been manufacturing and distributing aluminium profiles for over 75 years. Its aluminium extrusion plant in Camberwell, Melbourne has focused on increasing productivity and safety as well as reducing costs. 6 months ago, Capral started implementing a lean manufacturing model.
Lean gives us a lot of empowerment for the employees, so they make decisions and they come up with the ideas.
The team meetings each day and the use of KPIs to empower staff have been a key in this transformation.
No longer the KPIs, the preserve of the computer systems, as it were, and management. I think people have now got more sense of ownership, shall we say, of their involvement down to the part that they play in the business.
Richard Axe says employees have brought many ideas to the team meetings that have made a difference to the bottom line. One idea involved employees suggesting ways to reduce the number of dyes that are cleaned in hazardous caustic or sodium hydroxide, which has not only reduced costs and time wasted, but has been beneficial to the environment.
What we do is we take our large dyes that we have here and then we clean them in caustic. And what's happened with the lean program, we've managed to separate a lot of these dyes without putting them into caustic, which creates waste for the environment as well. And we reduce the amount of dyes going into caustic because we've been able to learn that some of the surface finishes is not required.
Aluminium extrusion can be very hazardous, and Capral is committed to high levels of safety. This level of safety has increased as employees participate more in finding safer and more efficient ways of producing aluminium products. OH&S coordinator Peter Tyndall has found the lean tools to be excellent in getting the information out to employees about safety issues.
Share the information across all the designated work groups so that everyone knows exactly what's going on in the other areas. So this is a really good communication tool.
Staff participate by using team meetings to problem solve safety issues.
We have reduced lost time, as in our 800 days without a lost time injury. So that in itself will show you that we manage our injuries well and we get people back to work safely and satisfactorily. So that's one thing. So that obviously builds the culture to say, yes, management want to look after us. If we do feel that we're doing something in an unsafe manner, we'll go and say something. Management will change things around and allow us to accommodate some changes to make sure that we do work safely.
Employee participation at Capral has meant they're working a lot smarter to get better outcomes.
I think we start to think smarter rather than work harder. I know it's a bit of an old cliche, but I think it's certainly true in this business. People are finding more efficient ways of doing things to achieve the same outcome in less time so that they can utilise their time in better ways in other parts of the process.
Manufacturing Skills Australia, committed to equipping Australian industry with the capacity to engage its workforce and so increase productivity. Talk to MSA staff about how they can help you move forward in today's competitive climate.